So it's about 8:30 Tuesday morning. What's today? It must be the 17th of April. So we came out this morning and tightened up the bolt here. The objective was to pull this board further back this way, that this gate would lift up. And we're noticing that we did have some distance here at the bottom. We did cause some separation at the bottom there from the ground as we tightened up this bolt. So what we're going to do is we tightened it up. The next thing we want to do is cause this part of the board here to give us some space. We'll pack that with new cement. Let that set so that this board becomes sturdy in place, because this board was not sturdy in place. So by having it connected here, what we've done is this board is extremely sturdy. The board is extremely sturdy. So what we've been able to do is to brace this board, pull it back, cause it to become sturdier. Once it's held there for a minute, we're going to put some more cement here at the bottom, which will tighten this up in place. Now, this is possibly the only drawdown, and I can't tell this from right now. This post is over 24 inches in the ground. Matter of fact, this is a 8-foot post. We didn't even have to shave the top of this post. If this post is at 6 feet, let's see something. We'll take out our trusty little tape measure. So what I can see is that if this is 5 feet, this is 68 inches at the top of this post, and the full length of this post is, this is an 8-foot post, so it's higher than that. So we got nearly 3 feet of this post is in the ground. I don't know how much of that post is in the ground. We didn't install this post. This was an attempt to try to reduce costs. That post was left in place. At any rate, that is what we'll do. Then as we come around this side of the house, we're going to walk around to the north side of the house. As we're looking at this side of the fence, we'll try to zoom in a little bit, see if it gets us in there closer. Alright, so what we'll see here is that we have 1, 2, 3, let's call it about 3 of these posts back here that are out of line with one another. Probably as we move this way, we can see more of where it's exactly out of line. Give it a chance to clear. And we can see more of where it's out of line. At any rate, what we probably will do is, for the 2 posts that I'm seeing that are exactly out of line, we'll probably run a heavier board across the back of them, maybe a 2x6 across the back of those boards, tie them into the last 2 boards that were straight on both sides of that bulge. That might wind up being as much as, it might wind up being about 20 feet. So we'll run a 20-foot board behind them. tie it into the posts that are considered in line with one another, and then push that bulge forward to make it be in line also. Good enough. We'll get back to it. We'll get that board. I'm gonna have to get with this neighbor, see if they will allow us to get into their yard, because we'll have to work from this yard over here. So we'll have to get with this neighbor to find out if we can get that part straightened out. Good enough.